Okay, here we are at Entrance Island with a significant amount of sea lions. You got babies, you got males, you got everything here. It's quite amazing. And we slide over here and holy cow! What has Rivermen Fishing Adventures found? The herd. There they all go. They know we're here to watch them. Look at the beach, people. The beach is clearing up. Go closer, buds. Here we are again. They're getting all angry. They're not very happy here. Look at them. Oh, old time, father time there. Woo. Look how big these bloody buggers are. Look at him standing right up on his back feet there. Wow, getting closer, buds. To about 10 feet of water. Look at that old one right there. He's very miserable. There's Uncle Time, all miserable there. Oh, you can go in more. Keep going right into about 10 feet of water. It's fairly deep here, buds. There he is. There he is, Father Time. There he is, there. Look how mad he looks. Whoa! Look at those ladies. There they go. Quite the eco tour here with Rivermen Fishing Adventures. Look at those guys. Holy cow. Back me in a bit, buds. Turn the wheel that way and back me in. We'll get a little closer here. See how they're doing. They don't look very happy today. Definitely here at Rivermen Fishing Adventures. Oh. 2 minutes here. Oh, these guys are all mad over here. Holy cow. Definitely, no, crank me in. It's definitely neat. Look at that. Nature at its best. And they're mad. Whoa. They're all unhappy. Two minutes. Oh, Father Time's mad there. Whoa, here they all come. Godzilla time. They're amazing. Totally neat, people. It's totally neat. Things you don't get to see. Oh, that one there is itching himself. A little back action. Definitely neat here. Book now. 604-916-4627. Rivermen Fishing Adventures.ca. Where you book and have a good time. Nature's best. Here's some here swimming in the water. And they're all melting. Look at that guy. Chilling out like a villain right there. Woo. Is that ever gangster style? Thank you for tuning in.